everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a back-to-back brochure in Canva. Let's get started. Go to Canva's home page and search for brochure. Click Create a blank brochure to start a new design. Then, browse through the ready-made templates on the left. Select a template that suits your needs. Most templates typically have two pages, the cover and the internal sections. For example, if you select this template, you'll see a front page and a back page. Click on Apply to add both pages. Now, customize the text, images, and layout to match your content. Once your design is ready, click the Share button at the top and select Download. Choose PDF print as the file type. Make sure to enable crop marks and bleed if you're printing the brochure. Select CMYK for the color profile and click Download. Wait a few seconds for the file to download. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Open the PDF to see your double-sided brochure. It's now ready to print or share digitally, and that's it. Thanks for watching.